Hi everyone, in today's I'm gonna explain to you how to connect Epic Games to Steam. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply open Steam and then you're gonna have to simply install the game basically on your computer. So you're gonna have to install Epic Games game on your computer, on your Steam. So as you can see, I have here this list of games that you can find them on Epic Games. So as you can see, Rocket League or any other from here. And basically what you're gonna have to do is simply launch the game. So as you can see, you're gonna have to simply launch the game and then simply select the sign in button to sign into your Epic Games account. So basically in order to do that, you're gonna have to simply launch for the first game, for the first time the game, and then after that basically use the sign in button. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.